I'm a big fan of cheesecloth table runners because you can do so much with them. And I recently did a video on one of these, and someone left in the comments, well, how do you fold them back up? So I thought I would just do a quick little video on that and show you how. So here we've got a really long tablecloth cheesecloth table runner. And you can see it has these nice crepey lines because it's been folded up. So when you have it unfolded, what you're going to do, if you want to fold it back up, is take the end, you're going to grab it, and you're just going to twist and keep twisting and keep twisting and keep twisting. Um, if you want to tie it to something. If that's helpful, great. Or you can just keep twisting, grab it here, keep twisting, and then you're going to grab it again so you can see it's all nice and um, twisted there. So you're just going to keep doing that. Sometimes I'll get my daughter to hold one end, and we just kind of think of it as one of those fun things where you're twisting, 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 and keep going. So it takes just a couple of minutes, but you're just going to twist it, twist it. I'm sure you're tired of me saying that, but here we go. And then twist it again. Almost done. Almost done. So here you've got it all twisted up. And then I take the ends, make sure they're really twisted, hold both ends together, and then I will typically twist it back up again. And it really doesn't need to be perfect. Again, you're just trying to get it so it's has that nice fold the next time you use it. So again, it doesn't need to be fancy. There you go. If you have any questions, let me know.